Alright guys, I think we just caught the best trading week in history. Okay, this whole week has been on fire, but today I think the cherry was placed on top of the cake. We had an intraday swing, as you can see here on the chart, that just simply defied belief. Market plunged almost 500 ticks and then rallied for another 500 ticks. Let's get into it, folks, because I got a good one here for you, and this trading strategy that I'm going to show you is going to be simple, it's going to be clean, and it's my humble opinion that I think it's fairly obvious once you know what to look for. Okay, so let me dissect this trading strategy for you. Folks, grab a piece of paper, grab a pen, and take notes. What I'm going to show you here is going to leave you speechless. All right. Now look, every trading strategy has got to have a starting point. And for far too many of you guys, your starting point has been this garbage candlestick chart. Right? All these squiggly lines, these Bollinger Bands, these stochastics. Folks, I'm telling you, you're going to get absolutely nowhere with this type of chart. All right, so step one in deploying a real professional trading strategy, and I'm going to make the assumption that that's what you actually want to do, right, is trade like a professional. Step one is to transform this chart right here into this chart right over here. Okay, and two things should jump out at you. Number one, you can see that the chart style, aka the bars are nice and clean. They're not all distorted. They don't have different lengths and sizes. Every single bar here is uniform. And number two, I know you guys see this green and red color band that's overlaid on top of the chart. Right? This is our proprietary volume-based indicator that, in my humble opinion, does a phenomenal job of identifying the trend. Look, folks, in order to have even a chance at attempting to trade the market successfully, man, you gotta know which way it's trending, right? There's no getting around that. And that's what this volume indicator does. Right? When it turns green, tells you that the market is going to go higher. When it turns red, as it did right here at about 8:45 in the morning today, okay, this is your clue that lower prices might be around the corner. Now, folks, why did I highlight this box here? Any guesses? Well, folks, if you haven't watched the channel at all, then shame on you, all right? Because this is a technique and a pattern that I show you guys repeatedly. Let's just zoom in so I can really dial you in to what happened today and why this is a textbook pattern that you guys need to learn, okay? There's a concept called retracements that I think is the most powerful chart pattern of all time. And this is what it looks like, okay? The market comes down, the market comes up, and then the market just collapses down again. All right, that's it. This is the pattern. Okay, leg one, leg two, leg three. There's nothing complicated about this retracement pattern. I'm willing to bet that 99% of you guys watching this video will get it on the first try. Okay. And so if this volume indicator, which again, folks, is this color band, all right, that's operating in the background here of the price bars, right? Whenever it's red, it gives you the direction. But that's not enough. We also want to see one of these, right? The market comes down, it comes up, and then it slams back down, right? Now, didn't you just hear me describe that 5 seconds ago when I showed you the retracement pattern that looked like this, right? Isn't that interesting? So if you guys are wondering, why did I highlight this location in the chart? Well, ladies and gentlemen, it should be fairly obvious, right? The color band is red, so we're looking for shorts. The retracement happens right here. We then get a bar color match, red against red above the band. And that's it. And folks, right? If I squish this in here a little bit, holy moly, this thing just craters for 500 ticks. One more thing, folks, when you get a setup like this so early in the morning, guys, I'm telling you, it should fire you up. because I've run my own back test, and I have just found that when you get a perfect retracement pattern so early in the morning, then wow, does it have this type of potential, right? Starts here, session low was here. I mean, the market just took a dump. And you want to know what's funny? We had several other retracements. Look at that nice one right there. Isn't that interesting? Another retracement there. One more there. One more there. And in my opinion, the best part, flip it around. Look at this. Now the volume color band is green. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Another perfect retracement pattern, this time to the long side, and the market just rips right after lunch. So yeah, folks, I feel like a lot of you guys have a decision to make, right? Are you going to constrain yourself and limit yourself to this garbage nonsense indicator chart for the rest of your career? Where's that going to get you? Where's that gotten you so far, right? Or do you feel like taking a chance, getting involved with a simple chart display that actually makes sense to a majority of traders? Because, ladies and gentlemen, when you put the work in, you put the time in, and you put the effort into mastering one simple chart pattern, okay, then in my humble opinion, all right, having access to professional trading software, which again, I think makes a huge difference, all right, these charts right here is what's going to help you transform your technical analysis skills forever. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.